How to turn off autopay in Amazon Prime. Now, if you want to turn off the automatic payment and subscription renewal in Amazon Prime, you just simply need to go to the website of primevideo.com and then select your profile from the top right corner. But if you have not logged into your account, in order to do this, first of all log into your account, then go to account and settings. Now, after going in this page, you will see the section of your membership where you can see your memberships and subscription. You just simply need to choose whatever subscriptions or membership that you have from this page and cancel the subscription at very first, and your Amazon Prime Video subscription will not be automatically renewed, and Amazon Prime Video will not auto pay to the subscription that you have selected. If you want to buy the next subscription, you can do that manually, but the auto pay will be stopped after canceling the subscription. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.